Hi everyone, Anna's back here at 10web, a managed WordPress hosting platform powered by Google Cloud. This video is an exclusive detailed analysis about 10web and InMotion. Stay with us, and by the end of this video you will understand what you're losing if you use InMotion hosting. Before we start, you should know that 10web offers you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, so you can sign up right now on 10web.io and check it out. Also, if you're interested in more hosting reviews, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our WordPress hosting review playlist. Now let's start with some short intros about these two companies. 10web is a fully managed WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud, and it has all the tools for building a super fast WordPress website. With Google technology partnership, 10web brings state-of-the-art technologies to WordPress, ensuring the highest possible quality and performance. And it makes a great solution for freelancers and agencies, small businesses, WooCommerce, and high-traffic sites. One key highlight we will talk about in more detail in this video is the speed optimization feature. Any website hosted at 10web gets an automatic 95+ guaranteed page speed score. As I already said, 10web offers you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Now let's talk about InMotion. InMotion is a well-known big company, but size isn't always a sign of quality. In the hosting industry, many times the largest companies are the worst hosting providers that get around by their name recognition or showy ad campaigns and neglect the things that are really important. So in this video, we're going to find out if InMotion is another large enterprise that gets by on reputation alone or not. So they have 5 types of hosting packages, but in today's video we're going to focus only on the shared hosting, which is one of their most popular hosting options. Keep watching as we are going over each feature one by one. Understanding your hosting infrastructure is the key in selecting the right hosting provider for you. The first thing you need to keep in mind is whether you need to choose managed hosting like 10web or shared hosting like InMotion. At 10web, we are fans of managed hosting, as shared hosting has a lot of drawbacks in terms of low website speed, bad neighboring effects on security, and poor customer support. 10web is powered by Google Cloud, which allows your website to gain 99.99% uptime, super secure network, and high-performing server infrastructure. 10web uses Google Cloud's best SSDs and servers, Nginx, fast CGI caching, LXD containers, PHP 7.4, and there is absolutely no danger that a neighboring site can affect the quality and the performance of your website, which is a common story with a shared hosting. The only true reason the users choose shared hosting is the low prices, but 10web has solved this problem as well and offers managed hosting at the price of shared hosting, but we will talk about this a bit later. At 10web, you can also choose from 8 available data centers from 4 continents, which will minimize the distance your website data travels between the user and server and results in much faster and secure website. InMotion has 2 data centers, one in Los Angeles and the other one in Ashburn, Virginia. Choosing a blazing fast web hosting provider is another fundamental thing you should consider if you want a reliable hosting. InMotion has max speed zone, ensuring high website speed and uptime. These have several controlled access points, N+2 and N+1 power systems with multiple battery and diesel sources in case of public utility failure. It also has BGP4 network to prevent downtime in case of loss of hardware, N+1 configurations on all servers using RAID 5, 24/7 system administrators at hand, but anyway, their speed performance shows medium results. In case of 10web, as I already said, we offer a special speed optimization feature which guarantees that any website built with one of 10web's templates and hosted at 10web would automatically get a 95+ page speed score. Let's outline the importance of migration features. A website migration can be a scary and chaotic mess if executed poorly. That's why you need to check out the migration possibilities of your host. You can migrate your website from another hosting to 10web with just one click. While if you want to migrate to InMotion hosting, first you need to purchase a hosting plan, then submit the transfer request form and wait for completion. So as you can see, this is a lot of hassle compared to 10web. Establishing your online presence is not just creating a basic website for your business or personal project. Your website's layout, content, and overall design has a profound impact on your perceived credibility. So it's time to talk about website builders. All InMotion shared hosting plans come with BoldGrid, which is a drag-and-drop website builder, but it's not an all-in-one solution. And there are no drag-and-drop e-commerce tools available. You get free content specifically written for your industry and can source out images on the web within the builder. Some users struggle with their slow sign-up and installation process because it can take about 2 hours for you to get your website up and running, which isn't great if you're looking for quick and easy ways to get your website up as soon as possible. Now let's jump to 10web's all-in-one website builder. 10web offers you a drag-and-drop website builder based on Elementor. The whole site creation process has a seamless navigation. You can go from editing one page to another without leaving the editor. This is a fully customizable solution, so you can design your website and edit the header and the footer with an advanced front-end editor. The sign-up and installation processes are very smooth. Also, you can get 40+ stunning designer-made and mobile-friendly website templates, 40+ premium widgets, which is a powerful combination of Elementor and premium 10web widgets, and 50+ premium plugins such as Photo Gallery, Form Maker, Slider, designed for every need. Next feature assuring reliable hosting is a safe backup service. At InMotion, you can protect your data from the unexpected with Backup Manager. You need to add the Backup Manager so that your data is protected by automatic daily backups. You also have an option to schedule your backups and restore full, partial, and file backups with just one click at any time. 10web's backup solution is a real-time differential backup, which automatically backs up your website and keeps it in a very secure AWS S3 storage space. The system saves only the changes made since the last full backup, and it works fast without affecting your WordPress website performance. And like InMotion, you're also able to automatically schedule your backups and perform a full or separate restoration. Security is another big issue when it comes to operating a website. You want to make sure that your site is safe from hackers, doesn't flag Google, and can connect securely to payment engines if you're running an e-commerce site of any kind. 10web is specialized in providing WordPress-centered security service. The service has built-in login limitations, scanning for vulnerabilities, malware, file changes, DDoS protection, and scan and repair of hacked sites. You get constant support and monitoring. Also, there are free website audits conducted automatically. But 10web's security team conducts manual checkups as well. We have a 24/7 system administration team that is always there for the security of your website. 10web offers a free one-click SSL with the Let's Encrypt integration for any website hosted at 10web for all the plans, and it comes for free. InMotion includes a website security suite for all the shared hosting plans. They handle server security with free SSL, hack protection, automatic backups available, DDoS protection, and malware protection. Your website files are scanned for vulnerabilities and malware and any potential risk. However, they mention that upgrading your software is still the best way to combat security issues. As I already promised, now it's time to compare the pricing. Shared hosting plans have always been the cheapest in the market, but not anymore because 10web offers managed WordPress hosting with advanced features and a variety of services at the price of shared hosting. 10web's annual pricing starts at $10 a month for one website and can go as low as $6 a month for one website in case of 10 or more websites being hosted at 10web. While InMotion offers 3 packages. The regular pricing of a launch plan starts at $7.99 a month. A Power package, which is designed for small businesses, starts at $9.99 a month, and Pro plan is $15.99 a month. They do offer special discounted prices for 1 or 2 years, but the packages do not differ in terms of feature variety. The main difference is put on the Jetpack Personal in the 2nd and 3rd packages, and on dedicated app code cash pools in the 3rd package. The next thing you need to consider when looking at a new hosting provider is explore their dashboard. Is the host's dashboard an old friend like cPanel? Is it some sort of janky, barely configured open source, or is it a carefully crafted custom dashboard? InMotion's main dashboard is cPanel, which is common to a lot of sites across the web. Some management features are available in the main panel and cPanel. So on one hand, this can elevate some of the major tasks to the account panel. On the other hand, this can get confusing. In contrast, 10web offers a carefully crafted custom dashboard. You're able to build, host, and manage all of your websites from a single dashboard with a few clicks. 10web's dashboard allows you to automatically install and update WP Core, themes, and plugins with the most intuitive dashboard. SEO Service, Backup Service, and the Security Scanner are included in the dashboard as well. And this is not yet the end. 10web has more to offer, but we will cover only the image optimizer and SEO service. If you want to find out some more features, you can explore 10web.io yourself. With Image Optimizer, you will be able to speed up your website up to 3 times by 90% image compression without quality loss. You will be able to automatically optimize the images uploaded to your WordPress site, and you can also choose between conservative, balanced, or extreme compression modes and track your compression results and statistics. While with SEO by 10web service, you will have the chance to improve your website structure and content to rank higher. Custom metadata, XML sitemap, canonical URLs, and knowledge graphs are the features included in the service. There's also an option to check for the length of your URL to make sure it is optimized for the best SEO results. And with the help of search analytics, you can see what queries led the users to your website and use them to optimize your content. As you see, if you buy InMotion WordPress shared hosting, you're missing so many features, quality and website performance, which you could gain with 10web at the same affordable prices. Don't forget to check out all the mentioned 10web features with a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share in the comments down below whether you like InMotion WordPress hosting or not. Take care, and I'll see you in another video.